Wall mirror. Wall mirror. I see myself in the mirror. Floor cushion. Floor cushion. She sits on the cushion. Table runner. Table runner. The table runner looks nice. Candle holder. Candle holder. He puts a candle in it. Wall lamp. Wall lamp. The wall lamp gives light. Chandelier. Chandelier. The chandelier is big. Ceiling light. Ceiling light. The ceiling light is on. Wall shelf unit. Wall shelf unit. Books are on the wall shelf. Coat hook. Coat hook. Hang your coat here. Key holder. Key holder. Keys are on the holder. Ladle spoon. Ladle spoon. She serves soup with it. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Use the brush for butter. Ice tray. Ice tray. The ice tray is full. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Wear mitts for hot pans. Pot holder. Pot holder. He holds the pot safely. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Cookies are on the sheet. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. She cuts stars with it. Muffin tin. Muffin tin. Put the mix in the tin. Pastry board. Pastry board. Roll dough on the board. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Cut pizza with this. Rolling mat. Rolling mat. Use it to roll dough. Wok. Wok. I cook rice in the wok. Tongs. Tongs. Turn food with the tongs. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. She hits meat with it. Skimmer spoon. Skimmer spoon. He removes oil with it. Strainer. Strainer. Strain tea with it. Spice rack. Spice rack. Spices are on the rack. Oil dispenser. Oil dispenser. It holds cooking oil. Salad spinner. Salad spinner. Dry lettuce in it. Blanket cover. Blanket cover. It keeps the blanket clean. Pillowcase. Pillowcase. Wash the pillowcase often. Bedspread. Bedspread. The bedspread is blue. Comforter. Comforter. It keeps me warm. Dressing mirror. Dressing mirror. She looks in the mirror. Folding bed. Folding bed. The bed folds easily. Sofa bed. Sofa bed. It is both sofa and bed. Trundle bed. Trundle bed. It slides under the bed. Futon. Futon. He sleeps on a futon. Daybed. Daybed. I rest on the daybed. Shoe shelf. Shoe shelf. Shoes are on the shelf. Hanger rack. Hanger rack. Hang clothes on it. Fabric storage bag. Fabric storage bag. Clothes go in the bag. Drawer divider. Drawer divider. It splits the drawer space. Laundry bag. Laundry bag. Dirty clothes go here. Bed skirt. Bed skirt. It hides under the bed. Wall organizer. Wall organizer. Notes are in the organizer. Jewelry drawer. Jewelry drawer. Her rings are inside. Cosmetic box. Cosmetic box. Makeup is in the box. Pillow protector. Pillow protector. It keeps the pillow clean. Shower head. Shower head. Water comes from it. Bath sponge. Bath sponge. I clean with the sponge. Soap dish. Soap dish. The soap is here.